Alright, what's up guys? My name's Corey. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, hi. Today we are finally putting the engine, the LT1, into Camaro. It's been an adventure. It's all fine-ish, I think. Say fine-ish? Yeah, fine. Okay. It's fine-ish. There's some stuff we're gonna have to figure out when we get it in, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. So hope you enjoy this ride along with an adventure, because this is gonna suck. All right, well, it's a couple days later. I don't know if you could tell by the end of that, that it got a little dark on us. And so I had to turn off the power, the camera. Sorry, my brain is a little out of it. But I think we didn't get done until about 11:30. We lost light about 8:30. So I went ahead and turned off the camera. But yeah. LT1 is officially in the car. Now comes the fun part, which I've been working on. It's connecting everything that I disconnected from the car back to the car. So a thing that's different on the on this is power steering pump is on the passenger side on a LT1 V8 car. On a V6 in these cars, it's on the driver's side over there. So it makes the driver's side look a lot more like clean than the passenger side. So I don't know, maybe in the future there's a way I can clean this up a little bit on this side to make it a little bit less there, if that makes sense, like, you know, a little bit less cluttered and everything. So now I've got to connect the negative cables to where they're supposed to go. The red cable is already connected besides the ground and the alternator wire. And yeah, so got a few things to do. We're getting some self-tapping screws for the power steering, but go ahead and get this connected. I think the battery cable is going to go to the engine or the body. I know this is going to the body, that one for sure, but I think the one on the other end of this is going to go to the block. So that's what we're going to do, and yeah, hopefully we'll have this running in the next couple days, and then we can get to more Can-Am Riker motorcycle content, because I have a lot planned with that still too. So I'll see you guys here in just a few minutes when we get a couple things mounted back up here. I'm working on connecting the heater hoses, so they go back here in the back. Okay, they're different than the 6-cylinder. The 6-cylinder ones for the 3800 are short. They're shorter. So that's what we'll do. We had to replace it. So I got the ones that go on a Z28. I got them used from Hawks because we're trying to save money here. And now I have no AC. I will have AC, but until that time, as I can get AC in the car, there is a difference with the AC between the 3800 and the LT1. So the 3800 uses these connectors coming out for the evaporator right here, and it's going to be replaced usually under the dash there, unless you have your engine out. But right here's your evaporator right here for your HVAC. And so the V6, I have them somewhere. The V6 line looks like this. So as you can see, it has a nut, it fits down there. So it has a female side, sits right here, and it goes like that. And then you put that nut on. And there's another one below it for the AC that goes in there. The V8 has a different kind. So unfortunately, I don't get AC right now, but luckily I get about 5 extra horsepower from it. So we're gonna do that. I also have got to hook up a evap sensor. So it looks like the previous owner of this engine and the previous people who pulled it, who I bought it from, they pulled the wires out of the evap, off the evap. They go around in here somewhere. I've got to find them. They're down here in the heat cover right there. And I'm gonna have to wire, I have the sensor wire. I'm gonna have to wire the 2 wires in. And that way I have the vacuum lines for that to go on the, if that makes sense. That way I have vacuum lines for my evap. But other than that, we're doing a few other things. Some of the grounds were taken out of off of here. Some of the connectors were taken off of here, and we had to get new connectors, stuff off the wiring harness. Needless to say, I think I'm gonna have a fire extinguisher ready at all times. I get to finish deleting the AC by putting the AC delete on. But I think I'm gonna first finish connecting up the battery cables. So those are done. And then once I connect all of the radiator hoses, well, we have squirrels running through our backyard, but once I connect all the radiator hoses, then I will put the evap pigtail on, and we'll hopefully be able to run all the vacuum lines that we need, which I thought was going to be super difficult. I'll put up a diagram of some of the vacuum lines. It looks like there's multiple, like a ton of vacuum lines. There's really not. And it's like maybe 4, 5 total. So we'll get that done and squared away, and I will see you guys here in just a few more minutes. So it has been a little while, but I am sitting here editing this video, and I have a lot more footage than I thought for. So we're gonna make a part 2 to this video, and it's gonna be us getting the car finished and running. That was an adventure. I didn't film as much as I thought for, but I'll explain that in the next one. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please go down below, leave a like, leave a comment, and please smash that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me to see you guys back here, because I do enjoy doing this and making videos for everybody. So I guess I will see you guys in the next one.